Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Sarah, did you see the news about the latest breakthrough in renewable energy?
Hey Alex. Yes, I did. It's incredible how they're using algae to produce biofuel. Imagine fueling our cars with algae.
I know, right? Science and innovation are moving so fast. What's the most fascinating scientific innovation you've heard of recently?
I'd say CRISPR technology. The idea of being able to edit genes to cure diseases is mind-blowing. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Totally. It's amazing and a bit scary at the same time. Speaking of sci-fi, did you hear the joke about why scientists trust atoms?
Haha, no, why?
Because they make up everything.
Good one, Alex. Speaking of making up things, have you read about 3D printing lately? It's fascinating how they can print everything from prosthetics to houses now.
Yes, it's revolutionizing so many fields. I saw they even printed a 3D printed steak. Imagine having dinner made by a printer.
That's wild. We're living in the future, for sure. You know what else is cool? The advances in space exploration. I mean, private companies are sending rockets to space now.
SpaceX is doing some amazing stuff. And did you hear the joke about the astronaut who broke up with his girlfriend?
No, what happened?
He needed space.
Haha, classic. But seriously, space exploration has come a long way. The idea of humans living on Mars in the near future is both exciting and unbelievable.
Absolutely. And it's not just about exploring space. Innovations in technology are making life here on Earth better too, like smart homes and wearable tech.
Oh, definitely. My smartwatch tracks my health, reminds me to stand up, and even helps me find my phone. It's like having a personal assistant on my wrist.
That's so handy. Speaking of health, have you heard about the latest developments in medical tech? Things like robotic surgeries and AI diagnostics?
Yes. It's incredible how precise and efficient these technologies are. They're saving lives and making healthcare more accessible.
I read about an AI that can detect cancer with higher accuracy than human doctors. It's like having an extra pair of eyes, but better.
That's impressive. Here's a joke for you. Why did the computer go to the doctor?
Haha, why?
Because it had a virus.
Good one, Sarah. You know, it's amazing how much innovation is driven by science fiction. So many things we once thought were impossible are now a reality.
Exactly. Sci-fi has always inspired real-life inventions. Like video calls, something we used to see only in movies, and now it's a part of our daily lives.
Right? And think about self-driving cars. They seemed like a distant dream, but now they're being tested on the roads. The future is here.
It sure is. And with all these advancements, it makes you wonder what's next. Maybe teleportation?
Haha, that would be awesome. Imagine skipping traffic and just appearing at your destination.
That would be the dream. By the way, have you heard this one? Why was the math book sad?
Classic. Math and science jokes never get old.
Speaking of the future, what do you think will be the next big innovation?
I think it could be something related to artificial intelligence. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do.
Agreed. AI has so much potential. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to complex problem solving in various industries, it's a game changer.
Absolutely. And then there's renewable energy. If we can crack the code on efficient and affordable renewable energy, it could transform our world.
That's true. Solar, wind, and even wave energy are becoming more viable every day. Imagine a world where we don't rely on fossil fuels anymore.
It's a future worth striving for. And speaking of striving, here's another joke. Why do scientists always trust stairs?
Why?
Because they're always up to something.
Haha, you've got a million of these. But seriously, it's exciting to think about how science and innovation will shape our lives.
Totally. It's inspiring to see how far we've come and to imagine where we're headed. Here's to the future and all the amazing innovations it will bring.
Cheers to that, Alex. Let's keep learning and staying curious. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be the ones coming up with the next big idea.
Absolutely. Sarah, here's to the innovators and dreamers of the world.